Hello, welcome to Tutree. In this video, we will see an animation of Earth's rotation and revolution. Let's see how to make this in Scratch. I'll delete the default sprite here. I'll click on the sprite area and search for Earth. Click on the sprite and it will be added in your game. Reduce the size of Earth. Now we'll add a sun. So click on the sprite icon again. Search for sun. Click on this and it will be added to your game. Now position these two characters well in the game. So I'll put sun in the center and to the left of it I'll add our earth. First we'll code for sun. When green flag is clicked, just add its go to X and Y so that it doesn't change its position. Now go to earth. When green flag is clicked, go to motion, update its X and Y value. Go to X and Y. So whenever you click the green flag, the earth comes here. I will also add a block point in direction 0 degree so that the earth goes up and come towards right side. And now add a forever block, go to motion, use this turn block and move block. So he'll turn and he'll keep moving. So I'm going to move 10 steps. But this is very small, right? In order to make the earth go a little wide, I'm going to change the degree as 5. So he's turning 5 degree and he's moving and this will be done forever. I'll add the stars background to this project and that is how it's looking. We will also add an heading over this like Earth's rotation and revolution. Click on sprite, paint option, click on this T which is for text and write Earth's rotation and revolution. Once you complete writing, you can see that it appears in the screen. Just drag and drop it and position it in the game. I'll improve the size of this also. Yeah, now it looks bigger and we'll put him in the center. Save this video and subscribe us for further updates. Bye-bye.